Fashion Show, and today we're at Lowe's Portofino Bay Hotel, and we bought a Minion suite.
We bought one?
Whoa.
We're staying at one.
Yeah. Just for a few days.
For 2 nights.
2 nights. We're gonna do a tour.
And we will be doing a tour, and later we will be showing you the park. And today we have dinner at Toothsome Chocolate Factory.
We'll do some videos.
And tomorrow is Vivo.
Vivo, okay.
Italian kitchen.
Lowe's Portofino Bay Hotel. It's raining.
So that is the Portofino. If you turn to your left,
Portofino. It's okay. We love this hotel. But today is extra special because we're gonna finally stay in the Minion suite, which Brandon has been begging.
This is our second time staying here, but the first time we weren't in a Minion suite.
We were in a regular room, but it was still nice.
Hope we get a nice view. We always get bad views.
We don't get bad views. Last time we stayed at Royal Pacific, we had a view of the theme park. Remember?
Well, there was a tree in our way.
You just don't remember.
Didn't we stay here the second time we came? The first time was Hard Rock.
Okay, so we have to go to check-in.
It's when you already online check in the hall.
Hold on, it's here.
Somebody said that there's a check-in and there's a check-in that you already did online.
Yeah, I already checked in.
Hey guys, this is the lobby of Portofino. And we are about to go into our room. But we are waiting for the dad.
We're waiting for the daddy. The lobby smells so good. It kind of smells like the one we have at home that I bought, which is
Candle?
right, but
The one that
little
broke
spray.
the floor? The candle that broke the floor?
Well, the candle didn't break the floor. The kids broke the floor with the candle.
The ball that didn't shot. We're going to the elevator.
So we have to take the east wing to the ground floor, and then we gotta walk to Starbucks, so let's wait.
So right now we're on 3? Yeah, right now we're on 3.
We're going to 1. Still take off your mask.
Why is there no 2? No, I don't want to. Why is there no 4?
Okay, so now we gotta go out by the Starbucks to the east wing. East wing straight. Oh, we stayed here last time in this wing. Remember? This way, Brandon. Brandon, get under the thing, please. This is where we stayed last time. In this exact wing. I don't know if the Minion suites have a view of that.
Yeah, the Minion room has a view, and the regular room has a balcony. Look at the elevator side.
Dylan, we're going to the second floor.
But you said we're on the second floor.
I said we're on like our room.
Look, they have a lot of restaurants here.
Yep. Who's having Starbucks
They
for
have an
breakfast?
Italian restaurant, Brandon.
Mommy is.
Yeah, but that's not.
Mommy never wants to go.
That's not true.
Mamma de la ristorante.
Careful. So it's 12:19 to the right. Okay, so.
No! We have the view. Right here. We have no view.
Okay, it's okay. We didn't get it for the view. Okay, so what we're gonna do is we're gonna go in, put our luggage in, and then we're gonna do a little tour of the room.
Okay.
So let's get everything put in
Oh,
first.
I'm looking for the Minions though.
Hold this.
It's fun.
Hold on 1 second. So when you walk in, we have a mirror,
The bathroom.
the ice machine, and a coffee maker. Closet. Here's the bathroom, toilet, nice dual sink, bathtub.
And then
Okay, so we have the TV with drawers, a nice king size bed.
not yet. Not yet.
Ooh, hold
Not
on.
yet.
We have a
Oh,
view
we can open
of trees.
We could open it
We have a view of some trees.
Go to a nice view after.
Okay, ready? So very nice and spacious
Open
room,
it.
as you can see, with a desk area.
I'm putting my
And
wow,
now-
you can fit 3 people there.
Yeah, no. Okay, guys, time to open the Minions door.
Minions and
Ooh.
what?
I didn't know I had a bunk bed.
Yeah.
Oh, this is so cool. You both fit on the top.
Yeah.
They're big. Wow, look at the wall.
I'm an evil genius.
This is so cool. And who are you, Brandon?
An evil genius.
An evil genius? I think you are. This room is so cool. The kids have their own TV. They have a little bit of drawer
I
space.
think they took out
Nicely decorated wallpaper. And they have the
Minion
beds.
eyes.
Actually, these bags are bigger than a twin size. They look like a double.
eyes.
Ooh, and Minion eyes
I've
there.
never seen bunk beds in these kind of rooms. I know.
So nice.
Hello.
Okay.
We had a great time here. I hope you enjoyed. We're going to be showing you Universal later. And we're going to say bye to the mini room. I hope you enjoyed from the Evil Genius share. Bye.